But we can still get this first. We're gonna try this again next time.
Respect my mind, know it died from last child. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine and
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy 5GuyCute, and today we are going to try to get a mothership.
See, I said mothership, but I kind of may have forgot to put mothership on, so it's whatever high street got put on.
We'll be using the. Actually, we won't be using nothing because my game's freaking broken. What? What did I put? Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, my game's not broken. So we will be using the rk5, but if we run out of ammo, we will be using, a little bit of HVK, but we have scavengers, so I doubt we'll have to use it. But yeah, bro, that's today's challenge. If y'all want to see more challenges, just hit that like and subscribe button. If you haven't, that just shows me y'all like my gameplay and like what I'm doing. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the game. 5GuyCute out. Alright guys, I had to leave that lobby because that lobby was penetrating my butthole. And where's my pistol? There it is. I don't like being penetrating my butthole. It's not nice. Like girls. Oh my god, my team is stat. Let's go. Wait. No, I forgot to get flagged.
That came.
Cosmic like that. Sassy.
I like the enemy has. That looks like
Dragonflower.
I don't know.
It's like orange.
Ruin KIA.
Oh my god.
Ooh,
Please. I'm trying to do it, Kelly. It's a pistol challenge. I picked it up though. No! What? As soon as I'm done capturing it, I'm killing you.
Enemy took Bravo.
See guys, he actually gets help from the flash.
Hostile health inbound.
Ah!
Hostile UAV.
Why does it go for me? I just gotta. Oh my god, bro. This is so annoying. Why, God? Why does this happen? Why is there always a brekkie in the game, bro? Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna get so irritated. There's always a brekkie in this game. Every time. It never fails to bite me in the butt. How do I not kill him?
Bravo.
That's a kill.
Oh, got a blast.
Securing Bravo. Oh my god. I'm out of ammo. Alright, bro.
There's right.
We gotta get a win first.
Securing Bravo.
Profit
I'm
down.
so sorry. I have to do
How
that.
do you get ammo?
I have scavenger on. Alright, bro. You got some ammo. So it's just.
Focus up.
Losing Bravo.
Please don't kill me. God, why? I was 200 off. I was 200 off. I didn't miss a bullet. Yeah. I should have reloaded. Kelly's right, guys. The scrubber is finally right voice. Good job, Kelly. You get a cookie. You get a raisin cookie for effort.
A raisin cookie's good.
Well, you get a raisin cookie for effort. You don't get a chocolate cookie. You're not that good. Okay, so how y'all negative? I don't understand though. What the plan though? No, I'm 11-6. Gotcha, B. Every person I kill, I just have to like get ammo for. Alright, when I get to about 200, I'm gonna pop this combat focus. Oh, what? How did he see me? Oh, he's going upstairs.
UAV inbound.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
A piss.
Tango.
There we go. What? Oh.
She's gone.
The brekkie never fails. Why are you upstairs with a brekkie? Why?
Cyber assets down.
Nice job. Watch out, teammate. What? Watch out.
Ruined KIA.
Is that Reggie one shot kill?
No, but it's A's. You can just spam it.
That is true. This is rapid fire. I'm sure.
Especially if you put rapid fire.
UAV inbound. Not one yet. Keep it tight.
It just never fails. Just never. This game never fails to annoy me so much. This game never fails.
Specialist.
What?
This is my favorite specialist.
Combat focus is mine. It gives me a lot of points so I can get my streaks faster. Try being Gucci. Shut up, squad
Good
boy.
job, CDP. Do it
Alright, bro.
again and
We're
let's
16
go
12.
home.
Not a good start. Teammate, 31-9. I respect that. But that B kid, he has a 0.7 KD. He's level 967. I'm better than him. Shoot, Kelly not even better than him. You're trash. Only game you're good as Minecraft
Secure the
No, I'm
objective.
good at Call of Duty.
and Rocket League. You're some hot buns.
Lock down.
I repeat, hot buns. I call it dude.
Friendly
Last
counter
time you played, you
UAV
was some
inbound.
trash.
Friendly UAV
Yeah,
inbound.
Scratch that room.
Oh yeah, yo. Oh yeah.
Securing B.
I didn't really count this video. It's 8K.
A kill's a kill, bro. You can suck my nuts.
EKIA.
Bravo
As
secure.
long as it say 200 points,
Friendly range for AO.
straight. Don't die,
Smoke
please.
checked. Reaper destroyed.
Bro, we're so.
Securing Alpha.
No.
All locations.
Let's go! Alright, bro. We're doing good. No.
Inbound. Counter UAV inbound. UAV.
We're doing good.
Enemy down.
We're doing good. Come on.
Enemy took Charlie. Securing C.
Just gotta put this pretty dive.
All locations secure. Hold your position.
Alright, bro. These rocks and rhythms right now, but you gotta go.
Cyber
You
assets
gotta go.
down.
You're not messing up my plans. Yo, see, you're making people quit the game. What are you doing, David? Alright, bro. Stay on check. 100 off my hitter. 100 off my hitter. Please, God. Where they? What? People are spawning.
Losing Alpha.
So they all spawn on that side. Okay.
Friendly race inbound. Losing A. Friendly hater inbound.
Let's go. Let's go. Got a hitter.
Ready for tasking.
Losing Alpha.
Drop them.
I'm gonna go. Powerful. I dropped. Another.
Wasted.
The round is nearly over. Keep up the momentum.
I'm a freaking goal.
Before you keep down.
It don't matter, bro. We dropped our streaks. Game sheet. Game sheet. Let's go. The game's about to end, bro. 26-13, bro. You cannot tell me I'm not far at this game. Let's go, bro. Let's go, man. You ugly. You ugly. Eat that. Eat that. I don't touch scrub lords. Yeah. Yeah. You got scrub. You got scrub lord
They
all
got
over you.
what was coming.
And we got top 3, bro.
Never
Over
said
B.
organic
B's trash, bro. 26-13, bro. We didn't. We got our streaks. We dropped our power core. And just let me know if y'all want to see more of these challenges. If y'all like them, just leave a like and comment. You don't have to copy.